Welcome back everybody to another resort video from 407 and Beyond found on our green playlist. Today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of Disney's Wilderness Lodge and I'm inviting you to join along. As we make our way to the front lobby, you can see all of the woodwork and the lights. The Wilderness Lodge is set to be themed to the Pacific Northwest, and I think you guys are definitely going to get that vibe as we enter the lobby here. Here we go. You're going to see just how grand this entrance is. Look at this lobby. This is my favorite lobby, I think, on Disney property. And you can see over here to the right, you can come in and check in with a Disney cast member. And just as a reminder, you currently do not have to check in at the front desk. You can actually go straight to your room by using the My Disney Experience app, and it'll send you your room number. And you can just go ahead and skip this front lobby and desk and go straight to your room. But I'll tell you what, this lobby is not one that you want to skip. There are some really good dining options over here at Wilderness Lodge, including Whispering Canyon Cafe, which is found here in the lobby. This is a really fun place to eat, where the cast members and the wait staff really interact with the guests eating their meal there. Let's go check out what is in the Mercantile, which is the gift shop here in the lobby. Have a lot of Wilderness Lodge themed merchandise here, which is really cool. I always appreciate having resort specific merchandise. Seen designed specifically for Wilderness Lodge. One really cool thing about Wilderness Lodge is that this geyser here runs down the creek here inside the lobby, and then as you can see goes outside, and I'll show you here in just a little bit where this water eventually ends up. Another view of the lobby. There is some dining options down at the end of this hall. As we go down here, you can see the artwork shifts to Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, because there is a character meal geared towards Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs here over at Artist Point, as well as Territory Lounge over here to the left. Character dining is right up that ramp. It's currently closed, so I cannot take you up there. And if you're looking for a quick service restaurant, just to grab something real quick, either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you can head on down to the Roaring Fork down here at the end of the hallway and to the left, where you can grab things such as sandwiches, burgers, and flatbreads. And here is the inside of Roaring Fork. And they are doing mobile ordering, so come in here and pick up your mobile order, and they also have seating over here on the right hand side. They also have a lot of dining area to sit outside here at Roaring Fork. All right, and now look at Copper Creek Falls. This is where the water was starting inside the lobby, and you can just see how grand the Wilderness Lodge is, with the waterfall and the resort in the background, making this one of the premier deluxe resorts here at Walt Disney World. The first pool sits here between the resort rooms. Nice big pool with a bridge over there. We're going to go over there in just a second, but you can see just where the pool is situated here at the resort and just how beautiful it is. The Wilderness Lodge is one of my favorite resorts. It's one of those resorts here on property where you really feel like you get away from it all for a little bit, whether it just be the big trees or the Pacific Northwest environment inside with the big totem poles and everything else. It really does feel like you're getting away from the parks and the crowds a little bit and coming somewhere where you can relax and have a good time with the family. And just like some of the other resorts, there is a splash pad and playground for the little ones. And out here, I don't think it's running right now, but typically this geyser does go off occasionally back here, and water will shoot out. Just adding to the ambiance and theming of the Wilderness Lodge set to the Pacific Northwest. One dining recommendation that I make quite frequently is to come out and check out Geyser Point Bar and Grill down here by the water. It is a table service restaurant, but you do not need a reservation to eat here. And here you can get some of the best burgers on property, including a bison burger. So definitely worth coming down here and checking out, and giving Wilderness Lodge another great dining option for guests. So I'm up here on almost the top floor, looking down in the lobby. It's beautiful. There's some sitting areas there across the way, but then as I turn around, check out this view of the pool and of the lake outside. Just absolutely gorgeous looking out behind Wilderness Lodge. And you can see that the totem poles go all the way to the top floor. I don't know, that's 1, 2, 3, I don't know, 6 stories maybe, 7 plus, I don't know, but so authentic in here. And then this is the hallway where rooms are. You can see the wood carries all the way through. And the elevator. Let's go to this window and check out the view here. I think this is going to be good. Oh yeah. Wonderful view here up on the 6th floor of Wilderness Lodge, overlooking the lake and the pool. And I would be remiss if I did not show the fireplace over here in the corner. This is such a great resort for the holiday season as well. It's a little bit cooler. They have a great big tree here in this lobby. And so this is high on my recommendation list to stay at for the holidays as well. All right, we are making our way to the DVC portion. I don't know why I said it like that. DVC portion of the resort. And over here is a secondary pool that is really nice. So let's make our way over there. You can see, we'll just go over here. The Boulder Ridge Cove pool, very quiet. It's exclusive for Disney's Wilderness Lodge guests. You can see the secondary pool a little bit quieter. Very nice theming in amongst the DVC rooms here. And I'll take you out here to the water so you guys can see it, but it's so peaceful back here. This is a great resort to just get away for a little bit from the hustle and bustle of the parks. See how beautiful it is. There's Geyser Point right over there where we ate lunch today. Here comes the boat taking guests over to the Magic Kingdom. And you can see Bay Lake Tower there in the distance. So just a peaceful place to be. Over here by the water, you can also rent bikes and boats. Let's check out what they have here. You can go on a guided fishing excursion starting at $235 for a 2-hour trip. You can do fireworks cruise in an 8-seater boat or a 10-seater boat. You can also rent sea racers and sun tracker pontoon boats. So if you are into being out on the water and being active, this tent, boat, and bike rental place down here by the water is definitely a place to come check out. Now, something that's fairly new here at Wilderness Lodge are the cabins that you can stay at that are right up to the lake. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the outside of those now, but these do come at a premium price. But if you want a special place for you and, you know, a group of your closest friends and family to stay, highly recommend checking out some of these cabins. They're absolutely gorgeous. That'll do it for this tour of Disney's Wilderness Lodge, located over in the Magic Kingdom area. Again, this is a deluxe resort, so a lot more luxury here than some of the moderate and value resorts here on property. Has some great dining options, including Geyser Point Bar and Grill, Artist Point inside with the character dining of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So overall, highly recommend staying here. I absolutely love it. The theming is great, and this is a great resort to book for the holiday season. They have a great big tree in the inside in the lobby. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see other videos from around Disney resorts, check out our green playlist on YouTube. Oh, there's a bee. Check out our green playlist for other tours around other Disney and Universal resorts. So if you are interested in going on that Walt Disney World vacation, please consider working with one of our expert vacation planners. This bee won't leave me alone. Please consider working with one of our expert vacation planners. Our services are 100% free, and you can get started with a no obligation quote at www.47vacations.com. From me and the bee here circling me, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.